Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another 99-cent only store, 99-cent store haul. This is a quick one for you guys. The other one it wore me out. This one is pretty short and sweet and good for you guys. Welcome newbies. If you're new, welcome to the channel. We hope that you enjoy our video of things that we have purchased for your bottom dollar, your best dollar, name brand things, but things that sustains our family. To our folks, hey y'all, welcome back. Yep, we are on it. We missed you guys so much. New year, new goals, you know, great stuff. So let's just get the show on the road, okay? Non-food items, the bake pans. I keep forgetting your name, honey, but I'm going to go ahead and shout you out right here. I found the bake pans, boo. How you like them apples? She does 99-cent store hauls as well. Actually here in Texas, but I believe in Houston, and I am actually part of Texas than Houston. But at my 99-cent store, they did have these, and I'm like Lazy Susan crazy right now. If you guys are not familiar on how to make Lazy Susans with the pie rounds, just shoot me a comment down there and I will definitely do a video on that. So let's just jump into it. These were 99 cents a piece. It's just your regular cake round. As you guys can see, let's get it going here. Round cake pan. The brand is Bake Shop. Easy clean. I won't be using those for baking. I'll just be using it for Lazy Susans in my organization in my kitchen. Butterball turkey bologna, thick sliced. I'm not big on the processed meats, but a little bit, you know, shouldn't kill anybody, right? Everything in moderation. 99 cents a pack. We got 2 packs there. I was excited to find this because Daddy loves salami, but we don't eat pork. At least we try not to by all means necessary. So when I found the beef cotta salami, I was so ecstatic. This is easily going to run you about $4 in the grocery store, 99 cents. So we got 3 of those. This cereal right here, I try to stay away from unhealthy cereals, but I do get the cereals. So this giant bag of cereal was actually $1.99. I take that back. This might have been $2.99. Either way it goes, I still think it's a great steal for a pound of cereal. So it was, I'm almost positive it was $2.99. Some stores might do it at $1.99 because they do their prices differently per store, okay? Moving on to the Gerber Organics. Yes, Sean eats these as fun snack. However, my 3-year-old, most of the time, this is the only time I can get him to get vegetables down besides broccoli. Broccoli, he'll eat all day, every day, by itself, cooked, whatever. Any other vegetables, you can hang it up. He's not eating it. But he will eat these. So I tend to buy these pouches on the go or whatnot. He won't eat the baby food in the jar, but he'll eat it out of the pouch because he thinks it's applesauce or yogurt or something like that. They had some really good flavors there. I actually bought quite a few of these, but they ate them already. The apple blueberry spinach, the Gerber pouches, these are going to run you anywhere between $2 or more in a regular grocery store. Even on sale, they're going to be over $1, but it was only 99 cents per pack. So apple blueberry spinach, these are just pear spinach. This one is actually banana pear zucchini. So stocked up on those, because there's nothing wrong with it. If they eat it, it's just vegetables and healthy food. Go at it. Black Forest Organic Gummy Bears. Try to keep them away from the sweets. If they are going to eat sweets, let's try to find at least some good sweets for them. I love these not just because of the organic. All the coloring of these gummy bears comes from fruit itself. There are no dyes in these gummy bears. If you want to read the ingredients here, go right on ahead and push pause and read that. But to me, no high fructose corn syrup at all. And you just can't go wrong. You know what I'm saying? When you know and can read and understand all the ingredients of anything that you're consuming, let alone something sweet. Look at this deal right here, guys. 99 cents for 4 sandwich crackers, 18 packs of 4 sandwich crackers. Club peanut butter crackers. You just pop the little thing here and it opens up and it's like a, you know, just kind of grab and go. This thing is awesome. 99 cents. I bought 2 other boxes as well. This is a big steal. If you do lunches, snacks, whatever, and peanut butter crackers is one of the best snacks you can have as well. You can't go wrong with that for 99 cents, for that box for 99 cents. I got some A1 dry rub for when Daddy gets to grilling. I tend to stock up in the fall, winter, and in the winter with his grilling things because he likes to grill. We like to entertain, and these will run you $2, $3, $4, $5 in a regular grocery store, 99 cents for the A1. You guys know we love our lunch-sized apples, so we have this whole bag here for $1.99. They didn't have very much bread, but I did get 1 pack of Mrs. Bear's bread for 99 cents. That concludes our 99-cent store haul this week, guys. Stay tuned next week, next Tuesday for a 99-cent store haul, but stay tuned tomorrow for another wonderful video of how Candy does it and all the things I do, uploading a video every day of the week besides the weekends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, if you enjoy these videos and you enjoy my channel, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to throw a like, a thumbs up in there. Every little thumbs up helps. And leave a comment. Let's get the communication lines open, get this community built. And until next time, ciao.